Got your iPhone stuck on notification cancelled? It can be really annoying, especially when you miss important notifications. But don't worry, this guide will walk you through some simple solutions to fix it. Let's dive in. Steps to fix the notification cancelled issue on iPhone. Solution 1. Update your iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if the notification cancel message is gone. Solution 2. Disable and re-enable notifications for the app. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications. Find the app that's causing the issue and tap on it. Toggle Allow Notifications off, then back on. Exit Settings and check if the issue persists. Solution 3. Reinstall the app. Locate the app on your home screen. Tap and hold the app icon, then select Remove App. Tap Delete App to confirm. Open the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it. Open the app and check if the notification issue is fixed. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General, tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Note, this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so ensure you have them ready. After resetting, check if the issue is resolved. These steps should help you fix the notification cancelled issue on your iPhone. Let me know if it worked or if you need more help.